Hello and welcome to Angela's Hangout. Hey, it's a collaboration day. This one is hosted by Bum Bea's Dollar Tree's DIYs, and it is called Show Me Dollar Tree Challenge. So basically all we had to do is purchase, most things we already had on hand, is 10 items that we buy from Dollar Tree that we use. So let's get into it. Okay, the first category is kitchen, and I like to use their paper towel holder and for my kitchen. The second category is food, and I don't know about you, but I just love their chips. Hey, remember doing this when you were a kid with those? How fun. Okay, the third category is organization, and I love using their bins for everywhere, for underneath my sinks, and these are pretty. They're nice dark gray, so it matches very well with everything that is in here. See, this basket is under my sink in my bathroom, and one bucket holds my pet supplies, and the other one holds my cleaning supplies. Okay, number 4 is beauty. And right now I have been using this BB cream that they have there. And I just cannot believe that that's only $1 and it works very well. Number 5 is bathroom. And I just love using these little fragrant beauty things. These are in the berry scent. I like using those in my bathroom just to give it that nice little fresh smell that's not too overpowering. And here it is in my bathroom. Okay, the next category is cleaning, and I just love to use these little magic erasers. They work so well for your bathtub or your stove top, and I just love these things. Okay, number 7 is home decor. I really like putting things in these little candles or candle holders, whether it be candles or flowers, and I use these in my home all the time. Okay, category 8 is my favorite crafting item, and right now I just love using these gemstone stickers. Okay, category 9 is a Valentine's related item. I found this and I think it is so pretty. It ties in all the pinks and reds together, so it works with everything. Okay, and category 10 is your favorite Dollar Tree DIY. And this one is by far my favorite. I absolutely love it. It is here on my entry. And it's the first thing you see when you walk in the door. So that is all 10 of my Dollar Tree items that I use. So I just wanted to say a big thank you to Bum Bea's Dollar Tree DIYs for hosting this collaboration, and I can't wait to see what everybody else came up with. We'll see y'all later. Bye-bye now.